guys, check out this crazy growth I've got in my temporary greenhouse. If you want to figure out how I built it, stick around. I'll show you. It's really easy. You'll need a piece of rebar like this, about 3 feet long, pounded in about a foot into the ground, and then leave it 2 feet out of the surface. You then buy these 10-foot sections of Cycletoff 1/2 inch, 200 psi pipe. This is the cheap stuff. It's usually about $3 to $4 a length. 2 lengths attach easily together right there, and it gives you a nice curve and a huge loop that's about 8 to 9 feet tall. Next, get yourself some of this vapor barrier, the heavy polyplastic with the UV protectant. Use tuck tape to tape lengths of it together because it wasn't long enough or wide enough to go over my greenhouse. So after I stuck 2 sections together, I still had to add 1 more 4-foot section, and that gave me enough to cover this whole greenhouse. You see I have 2 joints, one right there and one right there. Then pretty much I just piled up the dirt that I had, made a little hill in the middle. You can see I have a little walkway on each end, and the ground is about 6 to 8 inches above in the middle. Also covered it with grass clippings to keep the moisture in, and I only have to water this greenhouse about once a week. I then used twine to tie the pipes all together, and I stabilized it to my fence so that it would give it quite a bit of stability. As you see, this pipe, it doesn't move, and it's pretty sturdy even in the wind. I just tied it over to my fence. You see this maze of strings though. I did have just strings going up to the roof to support each plant. As the plants grow, my structure did lose some shape. The pipes have started to bend. I had to put in cross strings to hold them from bowing out because the roof was bending down. And as you see, as the plants lean over or whatever, I just crisscross to get the plants more straight and keep the tomatoes off the ground. And this support system really helps. So the pipes provide the support for the plants as well, so that they can grow all the way up to the roof. I left both ends of the greenhouse open to provide good ventilation from getting too hot. It's now the end of August, and my cucumbers are still blooming and producing plenty of cucumbers, and the tomatoes are getting ripe in the greenhouse. I hope you enjoyed that little clip of my greenhouse. Thanks for watching.